Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Urban Hideout pen holder. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Okay, we do that by first, of course, removing the Urban Hideout pen holder from its clear plastic package right there. And as you can see, it is further protected with a layer of shrink wrapping. So let's go ahead and rip that shrink wrap apart and peel it off completely. So there we go. So now we have the Urban Hideout pen holder in my hand here. And as you can see, it is made from a light colored bamboo. So it is very, very durable and light in weight. And just giving you some close-up looks at the Urban Hideout pen holder. And you can see the fine vertical grains right throughout the pen holder. And taking a look at the base as well, right there. And into the recess of the pen holder or pot holder. So size-wise, giving you some idea of the size of the pen holder resting in the palm of my hand. I'm just going to set it down as well, so you have a better idea for some perspective of the pen holder. As you can hear, the density of that bamboo construction there, and of course it is very, very strong. Bamboo being a very dense wood will provide ample rigidity and of course sturdiness in keeping your pens organized and safe in this pen holder. So giving you some very close-up looks at the very fine detail of the pen holder, of course made out of eco-friendly bamboo. As we know, bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants or trees on our planet, and thus it is somewhat eco-friendly to be using bamboo for this desk organizer pen holder. And just showing you the thickness of that bamboo construction right there. Nice and thick. And the depth of the storage area for the pens. And you can see that the front area and the back area, it is sloped. And of course we can test it out with a piece of stationery here, a writing instrument. What we have here is a nice pen, which I've unboxed before in a much earlier video. So this is the Schaefer Intensity ballpoint pen in black stripe and chrome plate trim. So a very lovely pen here. Regular size, as you can see. And just going to set the Schaefer Intensity ballpoint pen into the Urban Hideout pen holder. As you can see in the front area, it does stick out a bit, so it's best used for shorter pens or pencils, but in the rear area it sits or stands pretty nicely. So I'm going to set it directly straight so you can see the pen in the upright position in the Urban Hideout pen holder right there. Front and rear positions of the Schaefer Intensity ballpoint pen in the Urban Hideout pen holder or pot holder right there, or pen pot. So a nice, good all-round look of the Urban Hideout pen holder. Just going to turn it around some more so you can see it is a very natural looking pen holder with a very sturdy construction right there. So that's the Urban Hideout pen holder. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!